forward to the file include section of the lab. So, in a lot of applications, developers need to include files to those classes or to share some templates between multiple web pages. The file include vulnerabilities come from a lack of filtering. When a user control parameter is used as a part of a file name in a call to an including action. For example, require once, include, or include once in PHP. If the call of one of these methods is vulnerable, the attacker will be able to manipulate the function to load his own code. File include vulnerabilities can also be used as directory traversal to read arbitrary files. However, if the arbitrary code contains an opening PHP tag, the file will be interpreted as a PHP code. The including function can allow the loading of local resources or remote source, a website, for example. If vulnerable, it will lead to a local file include LFI or a remote file include RFI. So now we're gonna go to the first example. We see right here, we copy this link address, we come to the file include section, and we replace the intro.php section for the the website we wanna push. So if we hit enter, we'll get the PHP version, which is 5.3.3.7, for example. And yeah, that would be the first example. For the second example, in a similar manner to the directory traversal, second example adds its own suffix to the value provided. As before, you can get rid of the suffix for an LFI using a null byte. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go example number 2. We already have the asset that we wanna add, but instead of just hitting enter, we're gonna add our null byte. And there we go. We get the expected results that we need. And that would conclude the file include section of the lab.